Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall a game or app on your PS5 and free up more space. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're not playing some of these games anymore. How do you actually go ahead and uninstall these games or apps? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's navigate to where it says Settings on the upper right-hand corner. Next, scroll down to where it says Storage right over here. Next, click on Console Storage and then click on Games and Apps. So by default, PS5 sorts your games and apps by least used, which kind of makes sense, right? So if you're not using the game as much anymore, then maybe you want to go ahead and delete it. But go ahead and select the games that you want to go ahead and delete. And then on the bottom right-hand corner, you're just going to go ahead and click on Delete. Now keep in mind that if you do delete a game or app, your saved data is still going to remain. So if you do decide to play that game sometime again in the future, you can simply recontinue of where you left off. Now, if you want to go ahead and delete your saved data as well, maybe you know for sure that you won't be playing that game at all, you can go into Save Data and you can delete that saved game's data as well in this option here. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and uninstall a game or app on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.